It's round 1 of the 2014 FFV Doherty Cup. In this contest we have State League 4 side Daniel Wolves taking on State League 5 club Glen Waverley. All the action is on the Knox Regional Football Centre.
Come on! Is that a free? Yeah, well, let's get 5 in now, yeah? It's alright, it's before the goal. Let's go now. Oh, sorry! Go, save it, Aaron. Come on! Come on! Well done. Go, boy. Come on. Stay strong. You know that, boy, huh? Top stuff, man. Oi, good boy. Come on. Come on, That's all, it's gone around, How do you know? Yes. Come on! Elias! Elias! Elias, win it! Unlucky. Ref! Hey! Water. No, I can't. Do you want me to press the left back and the centre back, or do you want me to stick?
You making a change?
Hadi bakayım. Finish. Eddie! Let's go back 10, thanks. Stay up. 10, thanks. No English. Let's go back 10. No English. Hassan! Gel abi, gel. Zaman harcamayalım. Hadi abi. Let's look at your linesman, Red. Come on, boys. He's off. Hadi abi. Offside. Hassan English. Hassan, yeah, can't wait. Doesn't speak English properly. Hassan! No, English. I'm Turk. I heard what you said. I'm Turk. There you go. Somebody's in there. Get some buddies in there. Come on. Eric. Daniel, you need to stay deeper. Get closer. Second ball for you. Colin. Go. Over the top. Daniel. Colin. Well done there.
It's coming.
Yeah!
What number?
Hey! Do it! Do it! You're going to leave. You're not in the hole. You can't run. You're going to leave. No! No way! That was it! No, you were off. Hey, come on, Glenn! Move on! Get on with it! Hey, man! Jeez, that's a short thing.
No extra time.
Where's the extra time?
2 minutes to have a drink.
Talk to me, yeah? Get in the box! Everyone! Hold it! That's it!
And then he dropped it.
Stay red.
Go it! Go it! Go it!
Hey, how it goes? Well done. Go, Mike! Go, Mike!
Come on! Come on, Erdman! 4! Let's go!
Elbow.
Well done, boys! Well done!
Well done, well done.
That's all you needed!
Here we go. Here we go. Up, 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 up.